Problem set 5. Question number 1. Choose the correct alternative answer and fill in the blanks. First example, if all pairs of adjacent sides of a quadrilateral are congruent, then it is called, see here, adjacent series. What is? If all pairs of adjacent sides of a quadrilateral are congruent, then it is called options: A. Rectangle, B. Parallelogram, C. Trapezium, D. Rhombus. Then answer is rhombus. This is our option D, because all the sides of a rhombus are congruent. Did you get it? Therefore, our answer is rhombus. Example number 2. If the diagonal of a square is, see here, this is square. Square means each angle is right angle, A, B, C, D. All sides are congruent. All sides are congruent. If the diagonal of a square is, diagonals are also congruent, 12 root 2 centimeter, then find the perimeter of this square. Okay, then the perimeter of square is dot dot. We will find it. Okay, now different characteristics of square. All sides are congruent, diagonals are congruent, each angle is right angle, opposite sides are parallel. Did you get it? Now question, find the perimeter. What is the perimeter? See here, therefore we want to find AB or BC or CD or AD. Okay, did you get it? Now all sides are congruent. All sides are congruent. See here, in right angled triangle ABC, in right angle triangle ABC, by Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Now I have told you, now all sides are congruent. All sides are congruent. Therefore, AB square plus BC, AB, CD, AD all are congruent. So instead of BC also we write here AB. Did you get it? Did you get it? Is equal to AC, or is 12 root 2 bracket square. Therefore 2 AB square is equal to 144, 12 square into 2, square root of 2 bracket square is 2. Now here 2 cancelled. Therefore taking square roots of both the sides, taking square roots of both the sides. Okay, therefore square root and square cancelled. Therefore, AB is equal to 12 centimeter. Therefore, perimeter of given square is equal to 4 into side, means length of the side, is equal to 4 into 12 centimeter is equal to 12 into 4. This is our option C. Example number 3. If opposite angles of a rhombus are of a rhombus are 2x degree and 3x minus 40 degree, then value of x is. Now this is rhombus. We know characteristics of rhombus regarding about angles. Series. The opposite angles of a rhombus are congruent or equal in measures. Therefore, measure angle A is equal to measure angle C. Therefore, 2x is equal to 3x minus 40. Did you get it? Opposite angles are congruent or equal in measure. Therefore, 2x degree is equal to 3x minus 40 degree. Did you get it? Now, we want variable positive. Therefore, I have told you many times, take smaller near bigger and take this constant number left. Therefore, 40 is equal to 3x minus 2x. Therefore, x is equal to 40 degree. This is our option D.
Question number 2. Adjacent sides of rectangle are 7 centimeter and 24 centimeter. Find the length of its diagonal. Now see, I will give name to this rectangle A, B, C and D. Okay. Adjacent sides of rectangle are 7 centimeter, smaller 7 centimeter, and greater we take 24 centimeter. Did you get it? Then find the length of its diagonal AC, or when we draw this BD, then that is also diagonal. And diagonals of rectangle are congruent. Diagonals of rectangle are congruent. Did you get it? Now see this. Each angle, measure of each angle of rectangle is 90 degree, or we say the each angle of rectangle is right angle. Did you get it? Therefore in right angled triangle ABC. In right angle triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. We apply Pythagoras theorem in right angle triangle ABC. Therefore, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Then we put values. We don't know value of AC, so we write as it is. AC square is equal to AB 7 centimeter bracket square plus BC 24 centimeter, but I will write here only 24 bracket square. Did you get it? Then after square, see, therefore AC square is equal to 7 square 49 plus 24 square 576. Therefore, AC square is equal to addition of these two 6, 25, 9 plus 6, 15, carry 1, 1 and 7, 8, 8 and 4, 12, carry 1. Taking here square, so we write here taking square roots of both sides. We will take square roots of both the sides. Therefore, square root of AC square is equal to square root of 625. Square root and square cancel. Therefore, AC is equal to 25 centimeter. Therefore, we write our final answer. Find the length of its diagonal. Therefore, the length of its diagonal is 25 centimeter. Question number 3. If diagonal of a square is 13 centimeter, then find its side. Okay. Now diagonal AC. This is given 13 centimeter. Then find its sides. Now this is square. ABCD, quadrilateral ABCD is a square. Therefore, its all sides are congruent. All sides are congruent. When we find length of any one side, then we say that all the sides of square are congruent. Therefore, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. Then length of each side is that value. Length of each side is that value. Now, see this carefully. This is square. See here. Quadrilateral ABCD is a square. Therefore, All sides are congruent. All sides are congruent. Therefore, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. Its diagonals are also congruent. Also congruent. Okay. Now, and each angle is also right angle. Each angle is also right angle. Therefore, in right angled triangle ABC, or we take ADC, take any one. Okay, in right angle triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. See this. AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Did you get it? Now we put values here. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. Means instead of this BC we can put AB, or instead of AB we can put BC. Did you get it? Therefore AB square plus, instead of this BC we put AB. Instead of this BC we write AB, and this square is equal to 13 square AC, value of AC 13 and bracket square. Therefore here 2 times AB square, 2 times no, is equal to 169. Therefore AB square is equal to 169 upon 2. Here multiplication the left side, when goes to right then becomes division. Therefore AB square, we take square roots of both the sides, taking square roots of both the sides, taking square roots of both the sides. 160 square root of AB square is equal to square root of 169 upon 2. Square root and square cancelled. Therefore AB is equal to, we know square root of 169, that is 13, upon, we don't know square root of 2, means there is no perfect square root. Okay, so we write as it is. Now you studied in 9th standard, you have studied in 9th standard, if denominator is an irrational number then convert into rational, that is we say by rationalization of a denominator. Rationalization of denominator, we take rationalizing factor of denominator and we find answer. See this, 13 square root of 2 upon square root of 2 into square root of 2 means 2. Therefore AB is equal to 2 6 are 12 and 2 5 are 10. Decimal point here. Therefore AB is equal to 6.5 square root of 2 centimeter. Okay, therefore the length of each side of square is 6.5 square root of 2. Therefore the length of each side of square is 6.5 square root of 2 centimeter. Example number 4. Ratio of two adjacent sides of a parallelogram is 3:4. Adjacent sides. Adjacent sides of parallelogram are not congruent. If adjacent sides are congruent, then that quadrilateral is a rhombus. But in parallelogram, adjacent sides are not congruent. And its perimeter is 112 centimeter. Find the length of each side. Find length of AB, BC, CD and AD. Okay. Now see this. We have given the ratio of adjacent sides of a parallelogram is 3:4. Now here AB is smaller than BC or AB is less than BC. Did you get it? Therefore, see this. Therefore, AB is to AB is to BC because I have said AB less than BC. Therefore, AB is to BC is equal to 3:4. This is given. Okay. When ratio is given, then we write let common multiple be x. Therefore, length of AB is equal to 3x centimeter and length of BC is equal to 4x centimeter. Did you get it? Now quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Therefore, opposite sides are congruent. No, opposite sides are congruent. Therefore, length of AB is equal to length of CD is equal to 3x centimeter and length of BC is equal to length of AD is equal to 4x centimeter. Now we have given perimeter of this parallelogram is 112 centimeter. Therefore, see this. The sum of the lengths of 4 sides of a parallelogram is equal to perimeter of a parallelogram. Did you get it? Therefore, the sum of the lengths of four sides. Which are four sides? AB, length AB plus length CD plus length BC plus length AD is equal to perimeter of this parallelogram. What is? 112 centimeter. Did you get it? Therefore, we put values 3x plus 3x plus 4x plus 4x is equal to 112 centimeter. Don't write here centimeter now. Okay. Now 3 plus 3 6 plus 4 10 and 4 14x is equal to 112. Therefore, x is equal to 112 upon 14. Did you get it? Therefore, x is equal to what is? See this. 8 into 4, 32. Carry 3. 8 ones are 8. Plus 3, 11. Did you get it? Therefore, find the length of each side. It's each side. See this. Therefore, length of AB is equal to length of CD is equal to 3x centimeter. No, is equal to 3 into 8 is equal to 24 centimeter. Did you get it? And length of BC is equal to length of AD is equal to 4x centimeter is equal to 4 into 8 is equal to 32 centimeter. Question number 4. Diagonals PR and QS of a rhombus PQRS are 20 centimeter and 48 centimeter respectively. Find the length of side PQ. Find the length of side PQ. Now this is rhombus and all the sides of rhombus are congruent. When we find length of PQ, then length of QR, RS and length of PS all are same. Did you get it? Now, see here. Diagonals PR and QS of a rhombus PQRS are 20 centimeter and 48 centimeter respectively. Now we know the characteristic of diagonals of rhombus. Diagonals of rhombus. See this. The diagonals of rhombus are perpendicular bisectors of each other. Perpendicular as well as bisectors means what? See here, right angle, everywhere right angle. Did you get it? Therefore I will write only one. Major angle PTQ. Measure angle PTQ is equal to 90 degree. Same way QTR is equal to 90 degree. Measure angle RTS, measure angle PTS is equal to 90 degree. As well as bisect each other. They are bisectors of each other. Bisect each other means, see here, PT is equal to RT. PT is equal to RT, and both are half of PR. Therefore, we have given PR 20 centimeter, PR 20 centimeter. Therefore, what is PT is equal to RT is equal to 10 centimeter. This is 10. This is also 10 centimeter. Did you get it?
Yes.
2 tens are, and QT is equal to ST, half of QS is equal to 1 upon 2 into 48 centimeter is equal to 24 centimeter. Did you get it?
Yes.
And this is also 24 centimeter. Did you get it?
Yes.
Now, see this. Therefore, in right angled triangle PTQ, we want to find PQ, so we select triangle PTQ, right angle triangle PTQ. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, in triangle, right angle triangle PTQ. See this, PQ square is equal to PT square plus QT square. Did you get it? Therefore, we keep PQ square as it is because we want to find it. Then PT 10 centimeter plus QT 24 square. Therefore, PQ square is equal to 10 square 100 plus 24 square, that is 576. Addition of these two, PQ square is equal to 676. Therefore, taking square roots of both sides, therefore PQ square in square root. Square root of PQ square is equal to square root of 676. Square root and square cancelled. Therefore, PQ is equal to square root of 676 is 26. Therefore, Therefore, the length of side PQ is 26 centimeter. Example number 6. Diagonals of a rectangle PQRS are intersecting in point M. If angle QMR is equal to 50 degree, then find the measure of angle MPS, measure of this angle. Okay, now for this solution, see here, angle SMP, angle SMP is equal to angle QMR. What is the reason? Vertically opposite angles. Therefore, angle SMP is equal to 50 degree. Did you get it? Vertically opposite angles are congruent. Now, quadrilateral PQRS is a rectangle. Therefore, its diagonals are congruent and bisect each other. They are congruent. Congruent means we write PR is equal to QS. Did you get it? PR is equal to QS. Now they bisect each other. They bisect each other means this PR that is divided into two equal parts. Which are those? PR divided into two equal parts. PM is equal to RM is equal to this. QS also divided into two equal parts. QM is equal to SM. Did you get it? Now see this carefully. Now here in triangle SMP, therefore in triangle SMP, see this, SM is equal to, see this, SM is equal to PM or PM is equal to SM. PM is equal to SM or SM is equal to PM. Did you get it? Therefore, in any triangle, two sides are congruent. Two sides are congruent, then that triangle is an isosceles triangle. Therefore, by isosceles triangles theorem, if sides are congruent, then opposite angles are also congruent. You have studied, and that is on the page number 33 of your textbook. Therefore, angle opposite to PM, angle opposite to PM, see this, PM, PSM. See, put this S here. PSM is equal to angle opposite to SM, MPS. M, here we put this P here. MPS. Did you get it? This is our equation number 1. This is due to isosceles triangles theorem. Therefore, in triangle SMP, in triangle SMP, see this. In triangle SMP, I will write directly. Angle PSM, angle PSM, this angle, plus angle MPS, MPS, plus angle SMP, SMP is equal to 180 degree. The sum of the measures of three angles of triangle SMP. Did you get it? The sum of the measures of angles of any triangle is 180 degree. Now, this is our equation number 2. Therefore, from equations 1 and 2, see this carefully. Now, see this. Value of PSM, angle PSM is MPS. Value of angle PSM is angle. Therefore, means instead of this, we put angle MPS. Did you get it? Plus angle MPS plus angle SMP. What is the measure? 50 degree is equal to 180 degree. Did you get it? Very simple method. Therefore, how many times angle MPS? 2 times. So we write 2 angle MPS. And we take this 50 degree to the right side. Plus becomes minus. Therefore, 2 angle MPS, we want to find it, is equal to 130 degree. 180 minus 50. Now 2 we take to the right side. Therefore, becomes divisor. Did you get it? Becomes divisor. 130 degree upon 2. Therefore, measure of angle MPS is equal to 65 degree. 2 6 12 and 2 5 10. Did you get it? Therefore, measure of angle MPS is 65 degree.